Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Neon versus Yoru, two dynamic agents in the game. We'll dive deep into their unique abilities, analyzing how each one impacts gameplay and team strategy. Our goal is to help you understand their strengths and weaknesses, so you can confidently choose the agent that best aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether it's aggressive entry or deceptive flanking. Let's get started. Neon is the epitome of speed and aggression. Her high gear ability grants a significant movement boost, allowing for lightning-fast side entries. She can deploy fast lane, creating two walls of static electricity to block vision and deal damage, while her relay bolt stuns enemies. Her ultimate, Overdrive, unleashes a powerful, high-damage lightning beam, making her a formidable force in direct engagements and quick pushes. Yoru, on the other hand, thrives on deception and misdirection. His gatecrash lets him teleport across considerable distances, enabling unexpected flanks and escapes. He can deploy Fake-Out, a footstep decoy that confuses enemies about his true location. Blindside throws a flash that bounces, disorienting opponents. His ultimate, Dimensional Drift, renders him invisible and invulnerable, perfect for scouting or repositioning behind enemy lines. Ultimately, choosing between Neon and Yoru depends on your tactical preference. If you enjoy leading the charge with raw speed and direct combat, Neon is your agent. However, if you prefer outsmarting opponents with clever teleports, decoys, and unexpected plays, Yoru will be a better fit. Both agents offer distinct advantages, so consider your team's needs and your personal playstyle to make the best choice for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.